Hi everyone, welcome to this channel, and in this video, I will tell you how you can upload long videos to your Instagram stories. Please subscribe to our channel, put your likes, write comments, and let's get to our topic. So, in order to do that, we're going to need to open the Instagram app with you. And then, in order to set the story, we're gonna have to swipe to the right side of the screen. And this is where you and I can either on camera record some video. For this, we will need to tap this button and hold it down. Or we can download a video from the gallery. And as you can see, here I've got videos that are 50 seconds long and 2 minutes long. So if you take a 50-second video to a minute-long video, then you can edit it further and put it in your history. Because with Instagram's latest update, thanks to the latest update, it's now possible to put videos up to 1 minute in your history. So if you have a video that's longer than 1 minute, but you want to display it or a part of it, for example, then you can select that video. And then scroll down to the bottom, for example, to the moment you want to display, so that you can select that moment. And then after you select that moment, you can also shorten that time so that it's less than a minute. For example, 50 seconds or 40 seconds, and so on. And once you've done that, you click Next. And now you can, for example, take the sound off the video, you can write something, or you can add an emoji. You can also do all the same things you do with stories. For example, add your location, mention someone from your friends, add a GIF, music, different reactions, polls, time, and so on. And after you've done all that, you can quietly expose the given story by clicking on the arrow. Confirm action. And now your story will be exposed. So that's how you'll be able to upload long videos to your Instagram stories. I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, write your comments and put your likes, and see you soon.